Hi, good morning. Welcome to 8th grade math, either pre-algebra or algebra. I'm excited to have you in class this year. What I want you to do is follow the simple instructions from above. You're going to say your name twice without your mask and once with your mask, and then I want you to tell me your favorite subject. Also, if you have a really interesting mask, feel free to share that with me at the end for fun. I'm going to do it right now to give you an example of what I'm looking for. Hi, my name is Mrs. Cassing. Hi, my name is Mrs. Cassing. Then put on your mask. Hi, my name is Mrs. Cassing. I'm also going to share my favorite subject. I know this will surprise you, but my favorite subject is math. I love math. I have fun with it. I love helping others, and I can't wait to help you learn math and become even better with it. Now, if you have a crazy mask, feel free to share it now. I'm going to share you my crazy mask. This was a gift just recently. It's kind of scary, but anyway, here we go. So tell me what you think. Should I wear the mask in class or not? Talk to you soon.